Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Julie and I'm here to do my reaction video for Season 4, Episode 11 of Legacies. This time the title of the episode is Follow the Sound of My Voice. And we are back. We are ready for a new episode of Legacies. I think the previous episode and having them introduce a demigod and another god and things like that, I think has been extremely interesting, because, you know, storylines like the one with Lizzie, you know, that it's honestly, it could bring the character to a higher level. We know how they are able to do that. We have seen that throughout the entire, you know, the Vampire Diary series and all of that. So by introducing a new threat or new, you know, characters like that, I think I think it has given them, you know, like the push forward that I feel that they needed, you know, because with Lizzie being a heretic, it's not something new. If you are a fan of the Vampire Diaries and of the originals and everything that came before Legacies, you know about heretics. You know how it works. We have seen it. So other than character development for Lizzie, the story is something that we know, you know? So I think that by having these gods and all of these new storylines, I think it's just pretty damn good, and I think they're going down a really good path. Hopefully they finally end with the monster of the week thing, because even though it's not the main thing, it is still happening and like no one needs it. So yeah, anyways, hopefully we do get more interesting storylines this season. And for the rest of Season 4, you know. But yeah, I'm excited, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am to continue watching a new episode of Legacies. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, give it a thumbs up if you love Legacies. Subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Uncut reaction always posted first on Patreon. And yeah, thank you to everyone who's supporting both on YouTube and on Patreon. And yeah, let me know all your thoughts about the episode on the comment section down below so we can continue the conversation about it. And yeah, don't be shy. Drop a comment. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's just begin with Season 4, Episode 11 of Legacies. Here we go. Yeah, I wouldn't do this. Oh. Where's your little sister? Oh.
Valentina?
She's gone.
What?
She ran away. At least, that's what you're going to tell people. I could make you forget all of this.
Who is this man?
But where's the fun in that?
Oh, is he hypnotizing them?
Besides, no one would believe you anyway.
What on earth? The hell did just happen?
All right.
Is he
First
going to
stop
school?
on the tour, study hall.
The boyfriends, hello, boyfriends.
Just stick with me. All right, I'm kind of a legendary first day wingman.
Hey, do any of them know that I'm
What, a monster magnet?
No, don't say that.
Because you're not anymore.
Do they all know that you are a hottie? Yes, they know.
But one monster problem.
Oh, I thought somebody told you. The impromptu field trip you led was because a Pukwuji attacked us.
A pup?
Wuji. He's out in the stables. He eats a surprising amount of hay.
It's still here.
And harmless. Because I also found a way to neutralize the curse that made Caleb and Ethan attack Ben.
Isn't this wonderful? She is so resourceful and so smart and so determined and so organized, by the way. I don't think we have pointed that out. But like, an amazing addition to the Super Squad. Let's be real.
As long as we gently break the monster news to the students and reassure them that it's been solved, hopefully they won't leave the school like last time.
Rumors you've heard are true. A monster did attack the school, but we have a new spell in place to prevent it from happening again.
Oh my god.
Which will never work, frankly.
What?
The monsters will find a way, like they always do. Because one of you, and they won't tell me who, is drawing the monsters here. If the rest of you stay, you're surely going to die.
The fuck?
We're all going to die.
What the hell did she drink?
So should we hit the breakfast line?
This sort of things happen, you know.
I think we still have one problem.
I hate the circus.
Oh, good. This is a carnival.
No, you're right. That's so different.
Hello. 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 I just want to say that Danielle this season has looked extremely hot. She's like so pretty.
If we see a clown, I'm out of here.
Actually, you have to do
Whatever
I
you say. You've never mentioned it before.
Here, young Padawan, because the carnival is the perfect place to blend in while we run some tests.
I think Landa will be proud that she just made that reference.
I feel deep down that I am going to wish that I didn't ask this question, but what kind of tests?
Before I find our 1,000-year-old vampire, I just need to know that you're in control of your new powers.
Oh, sweetie sire. You've been a vampire for what, 5 minutes? I am just as good at this as you are. Need I remind you, my mother is a vampire.
Who's never around? Your father's
my
an alcoholic
God.
vegetable, and your sister left you behind to go on a walkabout to find herself. Oh, you see your buttons are too easily pushed.
Oh shit, you really didn't just say that.
Going my way?
Hello? I'm so happy you're back.
Oh, damn, Caleb.
Yeah.
How did you swing this? This? I didn't. This is me right here. That's dope, too. Man, shut up. It's the journey that counts.
Guys? I mean, girls, sorry. We got a problem. Everyone's going crazy out there. I know I'm supposed to be the alpha, but I'm terrified that if I try to stop it, no one will listen, and that'll really undermine my authority.
So he's also drinking the tea that we do.
Step right up. Join the fun.
You ladies want to test your strength?
Oh, bitch, you don't even know.
All right. Test number 2.
Make the bell ring.
No, anyone can do that. I want you to practice controlling your strength. Get as close as you can to the top without actually touching the bell. 2, 0.
Sorry about your little tower, darling.
Okay, that was kind of fun.
Vampires shouldn't even go to this school.
What the hell is happening?
Back to class! All of you!
Oh, who is?
Excuse me, Miss
Eve Bloom.
Your new
Oh!
mistress.
Oh, fucking Aurora! What are you doing here? Aurora! I thought I was gonna meet an actual Eve Bloom and I was gonna fall in love with her. Aurora!
This sucks.
Don't we have a picture of her, though?
What's the score again?
You know what it is.
I forgot. Remind me.
7-0. Okay, fine. You've made your point.
Shit.
It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. What's wrong? Are you lost?
Someone took my sister.
Okay, she was able to say the truth. Okay. So we're gonna help, right?
Why don't you take that? Get yourself cotton candy or something, okay? We'll take care of it.
Why is she being so sweet? I thought she was without her humanity.
She said the tunnel thing is that way.
Yeah, that's why we're going this way.
I thought
Oh,
we were
come
helping her.
on.
And I thought you were smart enough to read between the lines.
All right. Where to next, wingman?
They are totally falling in love. I love this, by the way. They're totally falling in love. I just love that.
I'm headed to the library by myself.
I see. Where should I go?
Hello?
Wherever you want.
Come
Is
on,
something
Jed.
wrong?
No, I just... Look, this truth weed is really freaking me out. I'm afraid I'm gonna say something stupid.
Like what?
Like you haven't fallen in love
Like,
with
I don't
him?
want to be around you, okay?
What?
Like, I just want to be alone.
Of course. Sorry to intrude.
Oh no, they're having boyfriend problems already. And they haven't even kissed yet.
It's just a little complicated. We can't out Ethan to his family, and we can't say that we're looking for him because they don't know that he's not still in Mystic Falls, and they can't know that we know that he's here because they don't know that he goes to school with us, which we can't tell them because then we'd have to explain that he's supernatural, which he clearly hasn't told them, but that's probably just because of the glitching powers, which we know about, but they can't. Yeah, you tripping. Yep, this is
Explained it
how we'll do
perfectly.
We say we're
And
here to
like,
help with
it's
their
so crazy that I fully understood that sentence.
We need Dr. S. Well, he's in a coma. And we out here in Mayberry wilding without a play.
Sure about that? Lizzie left her illusion ring.
This is just so wrong. On so many levels.
Don't worry, we'll be in and out. I got this.
I just act, fight.
Yes. Yeah.
Dr. Saltzman.
Hi, Maya.
Maya, hello.
This young man
Is
is
this mine?
Caleb.
Yes, it is.
We received a phone call from your mother. Is she here?
She's at work. Are you here about the ghost? I mean, at first I didn't believe it, but we hear footsteps at night and we find that the TVs turn to football games and food goes missing all the time.
We're here to get rid of your ghost.
Then come on in.
I am so
Is this a
tired of
surprise?
Alaric, by the way.
Miss Shawanda, isn't it? You're a muse, yes?
You haven't answered my question.
I am Aurora de Martel. I came here because I needed a
Fucking
weapon
hate
that
this
could
bitch.
kill the tribrid. So I killed your actual headmistress and put blue calamus in your water to get the truth out of you all.
You're being very candid.
Okay, fine. Yes, I am the target audience for this sob story. Let's just help her, and then I'll pass whatever tests you want.
Too late. You're walking into an easily avoidable risk because your emotions are telling you to. So, you failed the most important test that there is, because if you can be manipulated that easily, then you're useless to me. Congrats. Got what you wanted. You're finally on your own. This partnership's over.
Wait, really? So, is she gonna stay?
Am I getting warmer?
I hate you, Aurora. Oh.
We have a winner.
What are you doing to her? Freaking Aurora, man. Was that her power? What the hell did she take? I hate Aurora. Oh no.
Was there something you wanted?
Just to give you a little warning. You see, we don't take kindly to strangers poaching on our hunting grounds.
What? Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am. We.
Oh, vampires. Damn it.
I would have bet real money that Lizzie was going to be the most annoying part of my day, but see, being vamp-splained by Colonel Sanders, that's a real low for me.
Enough stalling. You and your friend have a choice to make. Either you join our merry band and you learn at the feet of a true master, or else.
First, she's not my friend. Second, they're all sweat.
You find out how hard it is to fight someone who is centuries older than you.
That might be a little bit of a problem for me. If I only were a creature of the night, that is.
She's a tribid, bitch.
Didn't know I could do that.
Cool.
Well, that will come in handy, right?
Ben goes through life never feeling like he belongs anywhere, and he wanted to leave, but you convinced him to stay, and now you're just gonna ditch him.
Yeah, basically.
Because you know the truth's gonna come out, that you're the reason a monster magnet's at the school?
That's not why.
Then why are you avoiding him?
I don't know.
You're lying!
I literally can't, remember?
I think he's in
jumbled and
love.
confusing, and I just feel this pressure like I'm gonna say the wrong thing to him.
Like what?
Like I'm in love with you. Oh shit.
You have to stop.
Oh, my child. I hate Aurora with passion. She does not need to harm my child. Okay, I just want to say that. Look at him being all hot.
Oh my. You are a strong one, aren't you? I think we need to have a little chat.
Yeah, no, we don't.
About what?
Not sure. But I had a vision of you, and I'm hoping you can tell me why.
Wait, a god can kill the tribe too? What on earth? Oh,
You're listening. Help me.
of course she's gonna help. Come on.
Help me.
Come on. There we go. There we go.
New test. Let's hunt some condescending vampires.
Let's do that. You know what? You know why I'm hesitant to ship this too? Because, like, I love Hizzie. I still love Hizzie with all my heart. But I felt like since Josie's gone now, it felt queer baiting for me. You know, the fact that that they pointed out so many times, and like it could have happened, and the actresses were willing to, you know, to play, and it never happened, and now she's gone. So it feels like if I'm gonna ship them as well, like, am I a clown because I know it's never happening, and like they're gonna just like queer bait me again? You know what I mean? So that's the reason why I'm so hesitant to ship Hizzie, when I have in the past shipped them as well. But like, I wanna die. You know what I mean?
Simple.
Well, simple.
2 parts whiskey, rye, if you have it. 1 part sweet vermouth.
You're not affected by blue calamus.
Oh, there's not much that does affect me.
Fine then. I shall have to do this the old-fashioned way. By breaking every single bone in that perfectly chiseled body.
Isn't him a gun? Couldn't he be like, stop?
We'll all heal.
After it hurts like hell.
Why is he not fighting back?
No offense. Kind of used to excruciating pain at this point. Occupational hazard.
Oh.
Oh, don't let that stop you. Hey, do your best. Maybe I'm lying.
If you don't start talking, I'm going back to the school and killing every single student. One by one, and every death will be your fault.
Didn't I say I did not want the monster of the week? And here's Aurora, you know?
I was in a dark place and I lost control of my temper. He came back alive. And everyone just kind of moved on. And I didn't believe I deserved a good outcome after I did something so terrible.
When are these two
My
gonna
pops is a
kiss?
preacher, and he would call that grace, a second chance. Wherever there's love, there's grace. So give them a chance. They love you. They might accept you for who you are. And if they don't,
I can love you.
I'll be your family until they do.
Okay. Gay. Honestly, they need to kiss. The chemistry, man.
I need 2 volunteers.
We'll do it.
Yes. Follow the sound of my voice. You will obey whatever command I give you. Your eyelids getting heavy. Your mind is getting powerful. On the count of 3, you're going to fall to the ground. Asleep. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, by the way.
It worked.
Perhaps your friend is a bit more docile. Your eyelids are getting heavy.
They're really not.
Seems we have some troublemakers here. Remove them, please.
Are you calling to your vamp bros? Because I think they might be indisposed. Besides, it's not like anyone's going to believe you.
Yeah.
Don't leave.
Who are you?
The future.
Okay, Beth. Okay, murdering girlfriends. Oh, what the fuck? People are applauding.
I shouldn't have left Ben alone. But I was having all these feelings that were
Gay. I know.
confusing. And it didn't make sense until when we thought he was in danger.
Okay.
Then I understood.
You're in love.
I think I like him.
Oh, baby!
Me too.
No, but I like him. Oh, yeah.
It's all kind of messy. I just kind of don't know who to talk to about it.
Oh, but this is so...
Talk as long as you want.
Oh, that is so sweet! Oh, baby! Oh, baby! I like this.
They've been talking for a while. Coming clean is definitely the...
I like this. I like the fact that they didn't, like, decide to just play this along, you know, and say, oh, you know, he might have feelings for him. He might not have feelings for him, you know. But they just flat out tell us, like, good on them because the queer baiting with Hizzie. I'm calling it queer baiting. Don't fight me. I'm gonna repeat that because that was really sweet.
It didn't make sense until when we thought he was in danger. Then I understood. I think I like him.
Me too.
No, bitch. In a gay way.
I know it's all kind of messy.
I love this.
I just kind of don't know who to talk to about it.
Take care of him, okay?
You got it.
And if you see Finch, tell her that I said hey. Or hi. Or whatever. Only if you see her.
Okay. Let's hit the road, guys.
More gays. The more gays, the better. Okay, but like, Finch and like, honestly, I could ship anything as long as they leave Hizzie as a canon thing, which is never gonna happen since Kale is not even here. But still,
You're gonna feel your sister beside you. No matter what. Like she's a part of you. Because she is.
that's so
You will always feel
sad.
her. She will never be fully gone. And that will make you brave.
Luna!
That was so sweet. Oh my god, imagine that pain, right? She lost her sister. She also
Nice
lost her
work
sister.
without compulsion.
So, what's the next test?
Nothing. Enough of the tests and the rules. You and I can find our own way that works.
After we find Aurora, maybe don't take it away. The connection, sire bond, whatever.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm ready to face the world alone.
Oh, Lizzie.
You see, I'm a great teacher. I should open up my own school, but for tribers only.
Hope you're the only one.
I know.
Okay, I'm liking this. Oh. Okay, hello. Welcome back.
We'll find a way to warn Hope.
I don't think Hope is the only one in trouble. The gods have been sleeping for a long time. If Aurora does find a way to wake them up,
Oh, no.
we're gonna need to warn the whole world.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, guys, so that was the end of Season 4, Episode 11 of Legacies. Pretty goddamn good episode. Extremely gay, which is my vibe. But it has story. You know, sadly, we did not have Landon. I will have definitely, you know, choose Landon on this episode rather than Alaric. But he was here. At least he wasn't himself, he was MG. But still, you know, I miss Landon, and I hate that he's stuck in that storyline with the other two extremely relevant characters that no one cares about. So yeah, hopefully they bring Landon back and ditch the other two. What can I say? Anyways, so what happened in this episode? A lot of shit happened in this episode. Hope and Lizzie are still, because, you know, they need to give Aurora time to come up with something to try to kill Hope. So, in this opportunity, they went to a carnival to trying to train and pass some tests so they can, like, she can determine whether if Lizzie is, capable of going with her and not letting her emotions cloud her judgment when needed once they face Aurora, you know. So they're there, and you know, they're going down the games and all of it, and they're winning, but you know, it really isn't about Hope winning or anything. It's more about, you know, them training. But you know, I like to say that Hope is like, I feel her humanity is turning back on slowly without her realizing that she's, you know, is getting back on again. The thing is that she didn't even notice when, like, she didn't do it, you know, she didn't turn it off. So I feel like it's a slowly turning on again, you know, because she saved Lizzie on this episode. Yeah, she was like, oh yeah, I'm just doing it because, you know, I want to kill some vampires, you know, and like, let's be real, I don't think that was the only reason why she did it. I think she is concerned about Lizzie, and also it kind of feels like this entire thing, it was about letting Lizzie, letting Lizzie process what is happening with the fact that since now she's a heretic, she doesn't feel that connection to Josie anymore like she used to. But now she feels some sort of way, in that kind of way, towards Hope, you know. So I think that Hope was trying to, like, indirectly trying to help her process everything that was happening, because at the end of the day, she knows how much the twins mean to one another, you know. So I think that it was extremely I think it was extremely important for her to do that, and I think Hope was aware of that and let her do it. You know what I mean? Because I don't know, because I have a feeling that her humanity is coming. Like, she wasn't too mean on this episode. She was there to help Lizzie, and she was kind of training her and like kind of like helping her out. And I understand that she says that if for the greater good, so she can fight once Aurora comes to it's in their way. But honestly, it felt very much like the old Hope, a little bit sassier, but that's it. So and honestly, oh god, it takes so little things for me to ship couples, especially if they're gay, and I when the show first started with Hizzie, there was Hizzie and Hizzie, and I was like, she has chemistry with both. At one point I did ended up choosing Hizzie, because for me they should have been the endgame couple. They should have been, I think they're canon, right? Because they both have had crushes on each other, and anyways, we're not gonna go back down that path. But the thing is that I did like Hizzie a lot more than I like Hizzie, and Lizzie was doing her own thing, and she was dating and all of that, so I was like, okay, I want to take Hizzie, and I'm gonna die with that ship. And honestly, I still will. But the thing is that Josie is gone. And we don't know when or if she's going to come back, and with at what capacity she might come back. We don't know that. We don't know if Kaylee said that, okay, yes, the doors are open, and maybe you will see her, and they didn't actually kill Josie, so that leaves a door open. But I don't know, I think it's going to be a while before we see her, right? And not even she didn't even finish this season. So it's going to be a little bit difficult to get her back, I think. So in my opinion, with that said, then there's Hizzie. But then I am like, dude, they kind of queer baited me with Hizzie, or maybe I queer baited myself. Who knows? But the thing is that I always thought that Hizzie should be together, but it never happened. And there were the random moments and touches, and for choir voices to be heard, and all the shit that happened with Hizzie, that they should have been a couple. But anyways, but I'm like, should I go down the path of choosing to ship Hizzie and then ending up in pain? Or can I just say, oh, they're besties, they love each other as besties, when honestly that's not how I'm feeling. Because I'm shipping them so hard. I hate myself. In my mind, Hizzie should still be endgame. But then I remember that conversation that Josie and Lizzie had, when it's every time I like someone, you go after them, and they ended up liking them more than they like me, and those issues that Josie had. And I'm like, oh my god, what if it happens again? Lizzie going for someone that Josie used to like and actually getting it. And I'm like, oh my god, do I want to go down this path again? But honestly, who am I kidding? I'm already in this path, and I'm like, I like Hizzie a lot, but I hate myself because I like them. Gosh. Anyways, but it was really sweet, kind of codependent, but that is honestly something that Lizzie needs to work on, and they need to work on that, on the character, because she was like, okay, I don't have that connection to Josie, but don't cut out the sire bond, because at least I have someone, and I don't want to be alone, so. But that is not a good thing for the character, and eventually I think that she will unsire her. But it made me feel extremely sad that she feels the need to have that, in order to feel calm, Oh, my poor girl. Anyways, and back in the school, Aurora is, creating chaos on the school. I cannot believe that they know that Aurora DeMartell is a big thread, and they don't have a fucking picture of her to know what she looks like, you know, and to kill her as soon as she is anywhere near the school or anywhere near the students or anything. But no, you know, they don't have a picture of her, apparently. But she comes in and she's like, she's the one who put the truth weed on the water supply, and with that, because she wanted to know about the red oak tree, which was burned to the ground, so no more of those. But she was looking for inspiration, so she got inside of my girl Cleo's head and just broke havoc, is that how you say it, inside of her mind. And now she's like, it hurts every time she tries to do magic, and like she's lost without her powers because she feels like she was always amused, but she was like kind of like, oh my god, everybody needs my help and like stop it. But now that she doesn't have it, it weighs on her, and like it's painful for her. So we don't know. So but technically the gods, I'm gonna guess, that's what we got from Ben, is that the gods might be able to kill Hope. So that is extremely powerful. But Ben did said that the gods have been asleep. So if Aurora wakes them up, the entire world is in danger. But we have seen another god. You know, the girl, Jennifer, whatever her name was from the previous episode. So, is she a god or is she a demigod? Half god. I don't know how to say it. Just like Ben. I really want to know, but like, that's interesting, right? That the gods are the one, like a god is the only one capable of putting a fight against the tribet and kill a tribet, right? That's insanely crazy. So, yeah, we have that bit of information with Ben. Also, the love confession. I love that Jay was like, the reason why is that I was feeling all these feelings I have never felt before. And Finch is the one who's like, oh yeah, blah, blah, blah. And then he's like, well, it's because I like him. And Finch is like, oh, I like him too. Wait, I don't like him that way. You like him the gay way. Like, honestly, bless Finch for being there for Jed. But also, like, I like the fact that the writers didn't decide to do this queer baiting thing with Jed and Ben, because I was like, dude, I do not need it, right? I don't need more of the read between the lines thing or the looks, but they actually are not attracted to one. I am glad that they flat out have told us on the previous episode that Ben is gay. Ben gay. I'm stupid, I'm sorry. And then the Jed on this episode actually likes him. So, bitch, I think it's powerful. I think that is just powerful and amazing. And the chemistry those two have is like insane. It's insane. And like, Jed was so worried. Like, the fact is, like, he knows that Ben can get hurt, you know, or if he does, he will heal again. Nevertheless, he was extremely worried. He was extremely worried. He was like, my boy, who is doing anything to my boy, you know? Oh, bless. It was so amazing. It was so amazing that he was like so concerned, and that he finally figured it out by the end of the episode that the reason why he was freaking out on Ben is because he actually likes him in a gay way, which is like the best way to like people. So bless. We have a new couple, baby. The possibility of other couples as well. We have Ben and Jed, which is, what is the ship name? Because it's difficult, because Ben, Jet, Bet. I don't think it's going to be Bed. Come on. So I don't know. What is the ship name? I will like to know. We have Hizzie, we have Ben and Jed, and then we have kinda For a minute, I thought, are they going with Cleo and Finch? But Cleo's in love with Caleb, so we have that couple. But then there was Maya, who found out about Ethan, which they basically did a coming out episode with him. But it was just him coming out as a supernatural. Okay, baby steps. And there was a lot of gay chemistry as well. Well, chemistry between Ethan and MG, but we've been knew this like since forever. But then Maya was like, oh, tell Finch, hey. And I'm like, what? Like, that couple, I wouldn't be opposed. See, that's a beautiful thing about me. When I like a ship, I just can't sometimes see them with anyone else. The moment they leave, like, for instance, like, no, and like, I have to be completely honest, and I have said this in the past, is that I never saw the chemistry between Jodie? Who is Jodie? Jodie Comer, but no, that's not who I'm. Josie. Why am I thinking about Villanelle right now? Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, that I didn't see the chemistry between Finch and Josie. I was like, there's something not working there. I don't know what it was, but there was something not working there for me. Maybe because I was a Hizzie. But like, look, I can ship Hizzie as well. So the problem is that I didn't see the chemistry between them. But then Maya's like, tell my girl hi. And I'm like, wait, that could be a good ship. Right? Because like Josie's gone. I don't know for how long. But like they can't keep Finch single for too long. Right? So the fact is that if she has a thing with Maya, because I also for a minute kind of ship Maya and Hope as well. The thing is that Danielle has chemistry with rocks sometimes, you know, and there I am shipping her with like the most random people because she has that, everyone has chemistry with her, okay, which is insane. So that makes me ship her with every single person. But I wouldn't mind Maya and Finch. I wouldn't. And like, I don't mind Hizzie either. Which is like, am I truly a Hizzie? I hate this. Anyways, I do miss Josie though. I do miss Josie. I miss what she represented for, you know, for Lizzie. What she represents for Lizzie. And, you know, the fact that Hope was in love with her. Like, let's be real. And so did Josie. She was in love with her as well. But no, we can't have it all, right? We have a good ship coming up with Jed and Ben. And we can't have Hizzie. That's so sad. Anyways, this was a good episode. Aurora was the monster of the week. Which I was, like, not expecting. But, like, I think she was the worst monster of all. Because she's evil, you know. And she hurt Cleo. And I don't like that. So yeah, but now she's on her way to meet with the gods so she can destroy Hope Michelson. And I'm like, hopefully she doesn't make it, you know. We need to kill her. We need to find a way to kill her, right? Hopefully. Anyways, great episode. Loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I hope you guys continue supporting for more. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and you can go to Patreon right now and watch the full uncut extended version for this reaction and so much more. So in case you guys want to do that, link as always will be in the description down below. And let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite ships? Do you guys have new ships? Do you guys used to ship Hizzie, but now are kind of shipping Hizzie? Are we betraying Hizzie? What is happening? I need to talk. You know, what are you feeling about Ben and Jed? Also, let me know the ship name for them. And yeah, let's continue the conversation in the comment section down below. So don't be shy. Drop a comment, and yeah, we can continue talking about it. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And for now, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time for more reaction videos. Next week for more reaction videos for Legacies. That's it. Mwah. Bye, guys.